Hello, good afternoon. Hi class, this is Kenji again. I'm doing the web app, module 8 for web app programming project. This time we gotta work with Maven, Spring Boot, installing different components. I used to had some issue with the project object manager. I think that's the POM module, sorry, project object module. This one will make Maven projects work as integration, and then Spring Boot will recognize it also after you put it the plugins. So basically, HTML, CSS, Java is all working together, and then it's a web. Localhost is 8084 being like protected what I'm going to be coding, and you can see that what we code we can see here as a result in front end and back end all combined together. Start with that. We'll start with the main program. Um, so yes, as mentioned, this combination of different programs: Spring Boot, building and running web apps, Java, content backend functions, HTML and CSS for front end. Um, we needed to install the Java kit, the 17 to be precise, the Spring initializer that generates the program, and IntelliJ is my IDE. In this class, I have the package declared. This is the package I name it form demo, and then you have the Spring Boot that you will allow to run the application. This is the main test basically to run. Then I have the greeting, which is the first part. You see here greeting. This contains all the variables that will store the information like names to the Monday, year, and message. Each of those have the get and setters, so it could storage and then pull again the same value. Lastly, we have the get formatted date. This is because assignment require us to do in Monday year formatting. So basically, I have it two, this two, and the four. Then a greeting controller for this one. Yeah, put the same package. The package form demo, this one, and then we declare some part of the utilities that the Spring will be using. The Java utilities, the controller. It will tell that it will have HTTP requests and it will display the screen I want to be displaying. The web controller. This is the controller. Then this is the location. As you see, what's going to do? This create a new model, a greeting object. Sorry, new greeting. They return, yeah, time lift template. We will go into time lift template, which is included in the HTML files. So the valid validation, since it requires to have um exception handling. This one, exception handling will be doing by try. We validate. If we catch, it will show the error, and if there is no like error, it will go to result. So it will go to result HTML file. Um, for the HTML, we have here the time leaf, which is the website, and then the title. HTML was a little bit familiar, so I knew that the title will help here like greeting form. This will help this value. And the style is for CSS, so stylish styling. I really like the style stuff. It's not that difficult, I guess. Was kind of entertainment, I guess. This part, headline, instructions, and then you can do the padding, margin border for the inputs here. Submit, enter data, reset, clear. Um, Pretty straightforward for the HTML. Then we have the actual text, actual information in text. This is the H1 title of the page. This one. So whatever you like code here, you can style. You can CSS style, so you could modify the color, the shape, and everything else. It's just here you declare here and the like a bigger scale, and then you do like more specific instruction. So in case an error is detected, it will flag it in color red visibly. And then this portion, whatever we introduce here and we will enter the data, it will storage, and then in the method, the post method, it will be translated to the result HTML, which I will show you later. So it is the same part, time leaf, HTML, CSS. So CSS styling again in the front part. Then we have the result. So to better visualize this, I'll put my name here, Kenji Nakanshi, student, my BID number, month, and June 24, 1994. Hello, I would like to contact with purpose of Valencia. Let's try that. Let's see, Ocella. Let's see. Data. So yeah, in the result, whatever information we store in the greeting, it will be translated here because the getter and setter. So it will just receive that information, text information, and the message here. Um, yeah, I wanted to put a GIF file, so something cooler. And yeah, we got the function, well, actually this greeting to submit another message. So go here and you can redo. For this one, we have UML diagram, very simple. This is the main, and then use greeting controller, the form submission, and then the greeting, which is called the getter and setters. So yeah, it was a lot of fun having this program, make it work, do the stylish and see HTML. I think that was not as difficult as the setup to set up the Java SDKs and the environmental, actually run it. So I can show demonstration here. It's like it builds a project, so you reload, and then you can see um, updates. Thank you.